Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an image button in Carrd. This is a fantastic way to create clickable images that can link to forms, websites, or any other destination you need, making your site more interactive and visually appealing. First, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your dashboard where you can manage all your sites. In the upper right panel, you'll see a button that says Plus New Site. Click on that to start creating a fresh site. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to work with something you've already built, you can simply select and edit your existing site instead. After clicking New Site, you'll be presented with several template options. For this tutorial, navigate to Blank Page and click Select. This gives you a clean canvas to work with, which is perfect for building your image button from scratch. Now, in the upper right corner of the editor, locate the plus button, click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Image. This is the core element we'll be turning into a clickable button, so it's an essential step in the process. Once you've added the image element, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Here, click Upload and browse to select the image you want to use. Choose the image file from your device and click Open. This uploads the image directly into your Carrd editor. After the image appears on your page, you can resize it to fit your design. Drag the corners or edges to adjust the dimensions until it looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the size, click Accept in the upper right panel to confirm your changes. Next, you'll need to grab the link you want your image to direct to, open a new tab in your web browser, and navigate to your Google form or any other page you'd like to link. Copy the URL from the address bar, head back to the Carrd editor. You should see a field labeled Link URL in the Image Settings panel. Paste the link you just copied into this field. This is what makes your image clickable and functional as a button. After pasting the link, click Done to save the changes. Now that your image button is set up, it's time to publish your site. In the upper right panel, click the Publish This Site button. This will take you to the Publishing Settings page. In the left panel, you'll be prompted to enter a title and description for your site. Fill in these fields with relevant information that describes what your site is about. This helps with organization and SEO. Scroll down until you find the name field, which is located beside .carrd.co. Here, type in your desired URL name. This will be the custom address for your site, so choose something memorable and relevant to your content. Once you've entered your URL name, click Publish. After the site is published, a button will appear that says View Site. Click on it to open your newly created page. Finally, test your image button by clicking on it. If everything is set up correctly, it should direct you to the link you specified earlier, whether that's a Google form or another destination. And that's it. You've successfully created a clickable image button in Carrd that can enhance user interaction on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.